If you don't have time to go to the gym, but you still want to work out, then this video is for you. At-home workouts have blown up over the past 2 years, and I'm going to show you how to get the best out of them. Maybe you live a very busy life. Maybe you don't want to drive to the gym where the music is terrible and the machines or weights that you want are already taken. Working out at home could be a great alternative to the gym. You get to save time, you get to save money, and you get to do those weird beneficial exercises at home in private. What's up, team? I'm Coach Johnny with Firebolt Fitness, certified strength and conditioning coach. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your at-home workout space. I'm going to show you how to ensure that you're exercising safely and effectively. I'm going to show you how to make your workouts easier or harder. And I'm going to show you how to make sure you're always seeing progress. Before you begin, always consult a doctor first, especially if you're a beginner or you haven't worked out for a while. You want to make sure you don't have any health complications so you can get after it. To avoid injury, always start slowly. Do not compare yourself to others. Go at your own level. So first, you want to designate a really good workout space. Make sure that you have enough room for yourself and your equipment. For my own at-home workouts, all I have to do is push the couch out of the way and I'm good to go. Try keeping all the equipment that you will be using in this designated space. You'll be motivated to get up and go if there isn't any reason to go far beyond the door of this special gymnasium of yours. I say gymnasium because this workout area is going to be your gym. Get focused, get after it. Next, you'll want to plan and set up a proper workout schedule. It's important to establish a routine that you can stick to stay on track. Take some time every week, say on Sunday, to schedule your workouts in advance. I said take time, but what I really mean is make time. If you wait until you have time to plan and work out, you might be waiting a long time. Schedule out a 30 to 60 minute block of your time in your schedule where you have no meetings, no work, no other appointments. Oh my God, how do you have time to work out? I don't just wait till I have time, I make time. If you only have 10 minutes to work out, make the most of those 10 minutes. Any activity is better than no activity. Next, you want to check on form and safety first before you add weight. A good way to ensure that you're keeping good form is to look up tutorial videos online from an experienced coach. Notice I said experienced coach. There is a lot of poor fitness advice out there, but there is also a ton of great advice from great coaches. Some workouts may require more rest in between sets, but some other workouts may be more beneficial to do it with minimal rest. Do your research and find out which type of workout is best for your goals. You never want to push through pain. This could lead to serious injury. If you ever feel a sharp shooting pain, stop the workout immediately, consult a doctor or a coach before you continue. Experiencing fatigue is okay, but fatigue is much different than sharp shooting pain. Breathing is incredibly important too. You'd be surprised how many times I have to tell my clients to breathe and to drink more water during a workout, the two most vital things for life. Breathing properly while lifting weights keeps the oxygen flowing, can reduce the risk of injury, and really improves your performance. I like to think inhale on the eccentric motion and exhale on the concentric motion. Eccentric means lengthening of a muscle, concentric means shortening of that muscle. When you're working out at home, make sure that you're using the right equipment for your goals. Bands, dumbbells, kettlebells, exercise balls are great for at-home workouts in small spaces. It's also possible to get a wicked workout with just your body weight alone. For cardio, if you have access to an outdoor space or a treadmill that faces the sun, that's really great for vitamin D absorption, and that's always a plus. Getting activity in outside is very beneficial for our mood and our stress levels. You can use an elliptical or a stationary bike if you have one, or if all else fails, grab a jump rope. A great way to get motivated is to find a workout buddy. If you don't have someone to keep you accountable, you may tend to skip workouts. Don't have an accountability buddy? Find a good trainer that offers online programs that plans out everything for you with check-ins to keep you consistent. Link below. Another option for staying motivated is to join an online community through social media or a group to share your experiences and keep getting after it. Coming soon to my website, firebolt.fitness, there will be a page where members can join or create any type of group they want, and they can share their fitness journey with others. Obviously, it's really important to stay motivated while you're working out at home. If you're not motivated, it's really easy to skip workout or just give up on it altogether. But if you don't have the motivation, how are you supposed to get the results that are going to make your life better? A better word for motivation is grit. Motivation is fleeting. Focus more on discipline and realize you have to do the work to get the results. To keep yourself motivated while working out at home, consider these strategies. Listen to songs that inspire you. I have certain songs that I play that literally trigger a response inside of me to start getting after it. Record and document your workouts. Notice how much you've improved after 1 week, 1 month. This should make you smile and help build this internal, everlasting, burning confidence. If you're not seeing the progress that you want, then change it up a bit. Add more challenging exercises as you master the easy ones. As you get stronger, start adding more reps, slower reps, or even paused reps. Instead of always doing 3 sets of 10, mix it up a bit. Try 2 sets of 20 reps, or a 20-minute AMRAP with 5 different exercises in a row, repeating with minimal rest. AMRAP means as many rounds as possible. Here's an example of one of my recent at-home workouts. Instead of doing 3 sets of 10, I did 50 kettlebell swings, 40 push-ups, 30 goblet squats, 20 dumbbell shoulder press, and 10 pull-ups. I'm a huge fan of full body workouts. You don't get that excessive, brutal soreness that sometimes come with split body training. I'm sure that we're all familiar with that feeling after an intense leg day that makes sitting down on the toilet a near-death experience. This recent at-home workout that I did is just an example of a different style of working out. I will say it's not really for beginners, so go at your own level. There are many options for at-home workouts that can help you build muscle and lose weight without spending a ton of money and time at the gym. If you are looking for an exercise routine that will help you achieve your goals and stay on track, then an at-home workout might be perfect for you. Here's why. They can be done in the comfort of your own home. No judging eyes. No more traveling all the way to the gym just to find out the equipment isn't working, or some smelly dude is right next to you, or the music is horrendous. To wrap up, home workouts are a great way to stay fit without wasting time or money. With just a little planning and basic equipment, you can start getting after it today. If you don't know where to start, try my 30-day at-home Get Moving Challenge. With only 10 to 20-minute daily workouts, mobility drills, activities, getting fit and healthy has never been easier. All exercises come with detailed instructions and tutorial videos made by me, certified strength and conditioning coach Johnny. If you want to see how my program works, try my 7 best core exercises to do at home. You can follow along through your web browser or an easy-to-use app. I want to thank you for dropping in. If you found this video helpful at all, hit subscribe and smash that like button. Keep seeking strength.